Hello YouTube, this is Dom from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a little haul and bringing back kind of some goodies from Crafty Friends. So I'll show that and show you what I got. Little teeny haul. I picked up some more Dynamo labels. I picked up some of the clear stretchy cord from Walmart, which really you can go to the fishing out and get you some of the cord, which is a lot cheaper and a lot stronger, but this is stretchy and the other one isn't. But if you ever want to save money and you're doing any kind of beading, go to the fish aisle, go to the fishing section in Walmart, and you can get you like the big, like last you a lifetime really, to do beading with. But it's not stretchy, but it's like $3 and you have like, I can't even imagine how many, like, I don't know, 300 yards or something. It's a lot. But anyway, I got this one because it's stretchy from Walmart. And then I got this gesso. I was going to try it out from Mount Marte, however you say it. I don't know. And I picked up just a pad of some neutral basil, just to use in the back of some layouts just for sturdiness. And dry erase board from the Dollar Tree. Another one from my grandson. And the last things that I got, I was with my girl Susan, who's out there shopping. Picked up some more of this bling, which I've shown this before. These are centerpieces and flowers. And some more of the traveler's notebooks with the 2 signatures inside. And I got them because my friend Susan was talking about how you can take these off and laminate these with, well, I'll let her show her video how she's going to do it. But anyway, she came up with some very creative ideas. And I broke my nail. So, speaking of dollar store, I have some dies, as you see. Ouch, 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 break my nail. Anyway, this came from Sheba. Thank you, Sheba, from Sheba 5. She had sent us a box, and I hadn't had a chance to, my friend and I, to coordinate to get my dies from her, but I finally got them. She sent this, I guess, last month. But these are the dies, which I'm sure you guys have seen, because she was the first one that I'm aware of to post the dies. And she had went back and got us some for all of us that we Zoom with, and we finally got had a chance to meet up different people to get them. So yay, thank you, Sheba. And when I was getting that, and I'm sorry, and I did pick this up from Tuesday morning, which was the waterproof Brea Reese that you can use the alcohol inks on. And then my friend Susan, she gave me some craft paper that she got from Craft Stash. Different specialty papers. I mean, not Craft Stash, Tonic. So these hopefully probably won't do justice in here with this lighting. Oh man. Let me see if I can plug mine out real quick. I don't know if that's gonna help at all. But still kind of dark in here, isn't it? But the colors are pretty. I think they have a little bit, you can see that texture, that like looks like little individual circles and like pebbles on a beach or something. And this nice shimmer. They all have nice sheen. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see that. Come to that. And a nice weight to it too, man. So these all are like linen and just different ones. Look at that, it's so pretty. And it's got a diamond print in there. And some more of the bubblegum pink. She got a lot of that. She told us she had a lot of that. That's why she was sharing some more of that. My favorite color, y'all, pink. Ha 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 ha, joke. But I'm thankful for it. I had to tickle, you know. I know people really team pink. I'm team red. But I can handle it, but, you know, because it's still got a little peachy in it. It's not starch pink. But I just got it to joke on the pink. And this is so pretty. This gold and the flecks in it, it is so shimmery. And I hadn't owned any other tonic paper. Look at that. Oh, and the backside even feels good. Love it. So thank you, Susan, for sharing with me, because I didn't have any of this paper. Any of their special paper. So excited to get some and to have some. So check out their channels. Their channels will be linked below. Okay, so hopefully I don't forget. But Sheba Finds, and Susan is Susie Q Crafter 21. So check them out, like and subscribe. Tell them I sent you. So anyway, thanks, ladies, and thank you all for liking and watching and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.